ES is never bearish market. It's a growing market, and it's gonna be always bullish. It's gonna be always long. But what we see, like the last drop during the last few months, that was like a drop, like a pullback or a retracement on the monthly time frame. Nothing more. Yes, it gets affected by the news, how hard it drops, and all of that, but it still came all the way down to the support point, support area, and then bounced off it, and we continued our trade, our trend. It's high, high, low, high, high, low, and then we're continuing up. So there's a monthly candle here, kept going, and then the next one kept going, didn't fill any of these. So I don't trade fair value gaps, but I keep it in considerations. I don't trade price imbalance. I keep it in consideration. So we left a gap here, we left a gap here. This is not a gap yet because this month still didn't close, but from what I see here, I treat this as I'm looking at 15-hour candle or 1-hour candle. We might see the price come back, pull this imbalance, to fill this imbalance. It might come back all the way here to fill this imbalance and start to go back up, and we might leave it behind. We don't know. So if we see the price dropping, there's no freak out about this because this is normal behavior in the market. We just have to work in a way that fits it. The difference between the bullish and the bearish trend is the bullish, like I said, it's always going up. And because this is a growing market, when we have a bearish trend, it doesn't always go down because people always want to buy ES. Stocks always going up. It's gonna affect the ES into, like, in a way of making deep pullbacks, not just like a normal pullback. So how I measure it is, usually I put my fib, and I like the pullback to reach the 50%, which is the fair price, and then bounce out of it. But it's not just that. I like it to match a session high and low, a day high and low, like in the last session high, low, day high and low, week, month. That's how I like it. That's how my A plus trades. But in the bearish trend, we see the market pullbacks all the way to almost like it's gonna change the direction, but it doesn't. It's just a deep pullbacks.